In this video, I will show you how to link Kraken to your bank account. So there's basically two ways to do this, and you can follow along on desktop or mobile, whichever platform you are using. So the first way is to deposit. So when you go to deposit, which on desktop is just right here on the home screen, if you're using mobile, go to transfer and then deposit. Then you select your cash currency that you use. So for me, that's euro. For you, it may be one of these other ones. So I'll just select euro. And from there, you want to select one of the bank options. So for example, for me, ideal, easy bank transfer or manual bank transfer. And if you then click on that option, from there you can select which bank you use and then just connect that bank account by signing in and making a deposit, and then you will have linked it to Kraken. But there's another way that you can do this. So for example, what you can also do is go into portfolio or a mobile again transfer and then click withdrawal. And then also select the cash currency you use, which for me again is euro. And then here also select a bank account option. So for me, domestic, SEPA. And then here I can then here where it says to, click on change and then add a new bank account. And then here I can enter my IBAN and then an account nickname. And the nickname doesn't matter, it's just for you to identify the account. But for the IBAN, just enter the IBAN and account details of your bank account. If you're from a different country, they may ask for slightly different details, but just enter your bank account details, click continue, and then it will be connected. And then you can also use that one for making withdrawals. So that's how to link your bank account to Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.